All right, we didn't find another one of these for our planters, so I'm going to teach the kids a little something in improvisation. So we were able to find the Love's diaper box that we all love, right?
Yeah.
So I got me some tape, some packing tape.
In my arm.
If I can get it to roll out right.
That's loud.
It's not loud at all.
Ah! You busted my eardrum. But the deers are running away.
No wonder it sounds like, no wonder it's called duct tape. It sounds like a dead dying duck. Alright. So we got us a box now, right?
Right.
Taped up on both sides. We might need to put a little dying duct tape on.
Oh!
Golly. Enough to make your brain fall out. Alright. Where's my scalpel?
What's a scalpel? Don't ask questions in the middle of something.
Alright. So we got our box on both ends here. So we're just going to take it in the middle. I do not recommend you cutting towards yourself like I just did there.
Well, then why did you just say that?
But kind of the only way I can. You got an eardrum?
This will be a lot faster, aren't it?
Look at there. Now we've got two boxes.
How?
Bada bing, bada booms.
I thought you were going to cut it like